Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making cauliflower tots. A little twist on tater tots, make them a little bit more healthy. These are going to be baked. There's no oil, there's no salt. Really easy, really delicious. Great way to sneak in the veggies for the kids. So let me show you what we've got going here. I've got a couple baked potatoes that were left over. They've been in the refrigerator, and that works best as if they're cold. I've also got some steamed cauliflower, which was just frozen. I had gotten riced cauliflower, and I steamed it for like a minute, and I squeezed it out in a paper towel to get the moisture out, because you want to make it as dry as possible so they hold together. And then we're going to add some spices, some smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. And this is really easy, so we're just going to get started. You just start by grating your potato, just a regular old grater. I start with the skin on, and I just grate away until I get to the end, and then I just throw that out, the leftover little skin, or you could eat it, I guess. So you just grate until you can't really grate anymore. Okay, I'm just going to continue with the second one. So once you're done grating, you're left with this nice mound of grated potatoes. If there's skin in there, that's fine. So we're just going to transfer this into a bowl. And we're going to add our cauliflower. This is 1 cup. I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup. And then I'm going to add my spices. And just going to mix it around. And just depending on the size of your potatoes, you'll figure out how much cauliflower you want to use. I think I'm going to use the rest of it. But let's say if your potatoes were super small, then maybe you'd only want to use 1/2 cup. So you just get these all incorporated, the spices and everything. So the next step is, and I just grate away until I get to the end, and then I just throw that out, the leftover little skin. So I'm just going to use my little melon baller here. Grate until you can't really grate anymore. And you just want to squish them and just kind of make them into a tater tot shape. So I'm just going to continue molding my little tots and put them on my baking sheet. Once you have all your tots shaped, put them in the oven, and you're going to check them after 20 minutes, but 20 to 30 minutes is about the average, depending on how large you make them. So we'll check back in about 20. And we're back. So 30 minutes seem to be the best for this batch. And I'm pairing it with some barbecue sauce. So let's give it a taste. And see, they look like little tater tots. Okay, here we go. So good. Thumbs up. Very crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, just like a tater tot. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And when you put on your plate, determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.